Hello, I'm Mike with Keur Locker Services. Welcome to my workshop. Today I want to talk about the most commonly replaced locker handle found on metal lockers. That is the Penco, spelled P-E-N-C-O, two-part lift handle. It is my part number PE101. The handle looks like this from the side and like this from the front. There's a lifter piece, which is the moving piece, and a stationary housing. Penco is the only manufacturer that makes a handle that pulls out and down. So if your locker has this type of handle, it is definitely a Penco locker. The entire assembly is fastened to the door with a pail nut that looks like this, using a 3/8 inch nut driver. If your handle moves freely and no longer opens your locker, chances are that a little tab has broken off the back of the lifter. The handle will need to be replaced. Here's the procedure for replacing your Penco locker handle. Take a 3/8 inch nut driver and insert it into the small oval opening on the lock bar channel that contains the lock bar. When you open the door, the lock bar channel will be found on the right edge of the door, opposite the hinges. If the handle has never before been replaced, you might find the opening quite tight, and you will need to work your nut driver back and forth to get the driver in. Then simply turn the pail nut counterclockwise to remove it. Most likely the pail nut will fall down through the lock bar to the bottom of the door, and the two pieces of the handle will fall on the floor in front of the locker. Then take the two pieces of the new handle, fit them to the front of the door. Line up the lift tab on the handle lifter so that it engages the small pin in the lock bar. You will know that you have the lifter correctly placed if the lock bar lifts up when you pull out and down on the lifter. Then attach the handle with your nut driver and pail nut, and you're done. That's all there is to it. We keep plenty of Penco handles and other Penco parts on hand and can ship most orders the same day as received. Check us out on one of our websites noted below, or give us a call anytime at 800-377-1218. Thank you for watching, and look for more helpful videos in the days and months to come.